Still loading water heater shells manually? Hands reaching into presses. One moment of distraction means severed fingers. 3 pits of manual stamping. First, fast press cycles keep workers under extreme mental strain, exhausted by end of shift. Second, for processes need 4 presses, 1 worker each, high labor cost. Third, slow changeover. New product setup takes a full day. This stamping line uses 4 robots with 4 presses, single gripper, 1 pick, 1 place. For processes auto-flowing. Auto feeder delivers blanks, robot picks and feeds into press, removes after stamping and passes downstream. 0 human intervention. 3 cores. First, single gripper, 1 pick, 1 place. Simple and reliable, fast cycle for high-speed stamping. Second, for robots each serve 1 press, I/O-linked sequential flow, upstream completes, and hands to downstream. Third, modular design. Feeders and grippers are standard modules. Swap as a unit, 2-hour changeover. Watch the demo. Sheet metal from the stack, robot single gripper picks, feeds into press 1, removes and feeds into press 2. Through 4 processes, finished part into the basket. For robots and 4 presses running in sync. By the numbers. Manual loading. 1 person per press. For presses 4 people. Only 65% effective stamping time. Automated. 1 person monitors the whole line. Effective time up to 90%. Changeover from 8 hours down to 2 hours. Capacity gain over 35%. This solution handles not only water heater shells, rice cooker inner pots, microwave panels, range hood panels, and other appliance sheet metal multi-process stamping all work. The key is single gripper, 1 pick, 1 place. Fast cycle, ideal for high-speed stamping. The core of a stamping line isn't robot count. It's whether grippers and cycle can keep up with press speed. What's your line's effective stamping time ratio?